Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Jerry, get out of the way of the trailer. What are you doing? No, Jerry, he has a job to do. Leave him alone. Don't walk away from me, Mr. Man. Rocket ship, be free.
Good morning. I just wanted to say that
look at all of those, your little babies. Your little babies. Oh, yeah.
He has arrived. Greetings, Cooter. How are you doing today? That's good to hear. I play drums on you.
So Willie is a herding dog, and now I've learned that he wants me on this grate. If I leave the grate, he gets really mad and he wants me back on the grate. I can leave the grate, and he puts me back on the grate. Leave the grate. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm on the grate.
Thumbelina, what are you looking for? What did you ask for that Santa hasn't gotten you yet?
I found this. It fell behind the TV. It was tucked all the way in the back.
It says to Thumbelina from Santa.
You think it's for you?
What do you think it might be? Yeah. Open it up. I don't know what it could possibly be. I don't know what it could possibly be.
Let's see. Unwrap it.
Hurry up. Oh my god. Hurry up. What did you get?
I think it's a Red Ryder BB gun.
Yeah, you think? What is it? What is it, Thumbelina? Let me see. Oh my god. What is it, babe?
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Oh my god. Oh, you got an avocado. How did Santa know?
That's your favorite.
Your favorite in the whole world. Oh, you happy? Are you so
Best
happy?
Christmas ever.
Best Christmas ever. Say thank you, Santa.
Oh, hi again. It's 4 p.m. Still no babies? My mom has all of the supplies ready to help me when it's time. Oh, big jump. Oof. I still haven't picked the perfect place to have my soupies yet. If Mom is asleep when I start to push, maybe I should have them on her pillow so they are the first thing she sees when she wakes up. She'll be so proud of me. Tiny biscuits.
Ojo con vaca, Vilma. Bájate de la mesa. No, te vas. Vamos afuera. Dale. Vilma. Vamos. No, ya te pusiste loca. Vení, vamos afuera. Vamos afuera, dale. No, no te la agarres con vaca. Ay, Vilma. No. Vilma. Vilma. Vamos, Vilma. No, vaca, salí de acá porque Vilma... No cierres la puerta. ¿Por qué cerraste la puerta y lo dejaste a vaca afuera? Lo dejaste a vaca afuera, Vilma. No me hagas esa cara. Voy a abrirle de nuevo a vaca. Vení, vaca, vení.